And then there was light. I've just locked my key in the room. I've just locked my key in the room. Okay, morning disasters to be figured out. That is where we all stay, Chiaraluce, country house. And behind me are the views we all enjoy. So welcome to Italy. This is actually my third day in Italy, and I have a couple of other videos from my day 1 and day 2. But in a sense, this is the first real day in Italy because this is the first day of our 7-day sketching retreat. The rest of the sort of sketching crew arriving in just a few hours. I've headed out for a little walk in the morning, and I thought I would do a kind of 1 minute or less description of what we're doing. So let's go. So we are in Le Marche on the east coast of Italy. We can see the coast from our guest house. It's very, very close to us. It's an undulating up and down region, famous for olives. But that undulating, apart from giving me a lot of very steep hills to walk down when I go on my morning walk, also means the geography and the architecture and the scenery is stunning. You can see that from just the beauty of Chiaraluce, our guest house, the views from Chiaraluce. But also we have all these like little villages, towns, churches perched on the top of hills. And that is what we're doing this week. We are being hosted by Miguel, who does all the cooking and the sort of sustaining of human beings, making us comfortable, driving us around. And then we are going from village to village, sketching. Eyes on the prize.
How's your lunch, man?
I love good tomatoes.
You came the right time.
And like that, it's all begun. Just going to finish my coffee, but everyone has arrived. And looking forward to a pretty awesome week ahead. So day 2, I've got up early. I did miss the sunrise. However, I have got a coffee on a little walk. Today, we were supposed to get to know each other, but everyone kind of was very happy to do that yesterday.
Did your grandmother just hit me in the hand? Like, really?
A really nice evening out in Montefiore. Pizza, gelato, wine, all of the good stuff. And today, we're going to do a kit check. We're going to do some warm-ups. We're going to do our first proper sort of sketching, painting session, using the pretty amazing local views. Oh, and I did forget the most important part, which is we're going to be kind of overwhelmed by the tastiness, which is Miguel's food, which is probably really why we're all here.
Stanno i cerchi solo e sono placati oltre. Sound interesting.
It is now Tuesday, which is the middle of the week. We have 3 more days left after today, but we have done so much already that it feels like the middle of the week. Right now we're in a town called Afida. We're actually in the sort of central square, Piazza del Popolo, which I think means sort of Piazza of the Populace, and surrounded by town hall, by churches, by a really quite interesting perspective, which is what we've been doing this morning. Lots of little thumbnails of perspective, and now loosening back up. And you can see our little group perched around, a few of them over here, another one sort of hiding in the cloisters behind me. And we're all now using the ideas from this morning to capture our versions of the scene. And that's kind of what the week's about. It's not about copying Toby. That wouldn't be a good outcome. It's about trying different things out and I hope people would say that they're discovering a bit of confidence in their kind of style. Enough talking to myself in a camera, and back to trying to be a good little art coach. So I shall get to work. Just thinking, where might the shadows be? Pop a little bit more colour in. I kind of want these drips to come down. We'll deal with that when it's dry.
And we do the same in the same time.